Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU CAT Special Test 2025 Part 2nd. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. Polymerization reactions in which polysaccharides are synthesized from monosaccharides or proteins are synthesized from amino acids. Option A results in the formation of water. B is hydrolysis reactions. C release energy. And option D all of the above. So the correct option is A results in the formation of water. Explanation is polymerization reactions that synthesize polysaccharides from monosaccharide or protein from amino acids known as dehydration synthesis reaction, also referred to as condensation reactions. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The number of base pairs in a single turn of B form DNA about the axis of the molecule is option A 4, B 8, C 10 and option D 12. So the correct option is C 10. B form DNA completes one turn every 10 base pairs. In naming cyclic carbohydrate, enantiomers are placed in the dash. Option A beginning, B end, C middle and option D none of the above. So the correct option is A beginning. Enantiomer alpha and beta are indicated at the start of the name. For example, alpha D glucose. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. So this is very important MCQs. Oligosaccharides linked to protein are called option A glycoprotein, B glycolipids, C galactosides and option D gangliosides. So the correct option is A glycoproteins. Glycoproteins are proteins that have oligosaccharide chain glycans covalently attached to them. This is most common is post-translational modification in protein, playing roles in cell recognition, signaling, and immune response. Phosphorylation of adenosine to AMP, adenosine monophosphate, is catalyzed by dash. Option A adenosine kinase, B deoxycytidine kinase, option C phosphokinase and option D synthetase. So the correct option is A adenosine kinase. Adenosine kinase phosphorylates adenosine to form AMP. Dash are sweet and readily soluble in water. Option A maltose, B sucrose, C starch and option D glucose. So the correct option is D glucose. While maltose and sucrose are also sweet and soluble glucose and the most fundamental and universally soluble monosaccharide. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. A nitrogenous base that does not occur in mRNA is option A cytosine, B thymine, C uracil and option D all of these. So the correct option is B thymine. mRNA has uracil instead of thymine. In nucleotides, phosphate is attached to the sugar by option A, salt bond, B, hydrogen bond, C, ester bond, and option D, glycosidic bond. So the correct option is C, ester bond. The phosphate group form a phosphodiester bond with the sugar of 5' OH group. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Which chemical component has the greatest contribution to the total mammalian cell weight? Option A, proteins, B, carbohydrate, C, lipids, and option D, water. So the correct option is D, water. Explanation is, water constitutes about 70% of cell weight, far exceeding proteins 15%, lipids 5%, carbohydrate 2%. Thank you for watching my videos.